Alright, cruise nerds, so we are doing the stateroom tour for stateroom 10612. Category 4A, which is a Deluxe Family Oceanview stateroom with veranda. So we do have our keys right there, keys with world cards, but we got our bands, so let's go ahead and tap. And go right on in. Alright, cruise nerds, so we are in Assembly Station O. This is on deck 3, which I believe is going to be in 1923, which I will check later, and it will be in part of the main blog. But once you come in, the bathrooms are going to be on your left, and I'm going to just turn this down because it is a little warm in here, cruise nerds. And bathrooms, and of course the thermostat's on your left, like I mentioned, and then some closet space on the left. And then right by the closets is shelving. So let me just do this real quick, cruise nerds, so you can see the shelving right there. I'll do more shelving in just a moment. So let's start with the closets. So this set, as you can see, it is divided. Some hanging space right here with the life vest, some hangers, and then some space for luggage and or shoes. Shelving over here, along with a safe on this particular door. And then there is the laundry bag. And then there will be a slip right there for laundry service. And then more life vests. And then on the next closet space, we do have a full on, and then there is the excuse me, cruise nerds, the ladder for the upper berth. Shelving right up here, cruise nerds. And this is a full on closet right here. So that is the closet space. Now let's go right over here to the first one. And then this is the toilet and sink. Trash bin right there with the box, and then some extra necessities if you need it. Then there is the soap, which is $68 if you want to buy that. You can buy it from guest services. Then some shelving right here on the left hand side of the mirror. Here's a full on mirror with towel. So that was bathroom number 1. And then bathroom number 2, cruise nerds, is the shower room with sink. And then there's bar of soap, lotion. Then there's towels, rags, makeup wipe right there. And then hand towel, trash bin right there. And then here is the shower. Just gonna open that up. There's the shampoo, which is also for sale from guest services. And the shampoo, conditioner, $68 per bottle. And from my knowledge, it does come with one fullage of the shampoo or whichever one you decide to get. And then there's the mirror. Hi, cruise nerds. And then this bathroom does have a full-on mirror as well, just in case you need it. Yeah. On the other side of that door is a hook, so you can hang some things right there. And onto the bedroom. So queen size bed, or full size bed. We do have on one side drawer, lamp, reading light, and then the artwork and down light with European plug, USB, and USB-C. And cruise nerds, this is something just for the maiden, so you don't get this often. So we're just going to come over here. Oh, and it is Baymax themed in this particular room. So lamp, and then it's 2 wall plugs, USB-Cs, drawer. This is up room for 4. So that is a closet, which I'll go over in just a moment. There's the upper berth, which I'll be sleeping in tonight. And then there's the couch, which we'll pull out. And then here's the desk. All the shelving right there. Then on one side, the trash bins, the chair right underneath. There's the remote for the TV right there right underneath the phone. First drawer with all the stationery and breakfast cards that you need. There's a mirror with a light around it, which definitely gives you extra lighting. And then we already got ice for today, so get to see that ice bucket. And then 4 glasses. And then we have drawers right here. One with the hairdryer. So, deep drawers, cruise nerds. And then 1 drawer right here, along with a cooler. This does connect to Stateroom 10614. So that's the connecting door. There's the kitty cat. Fluffy baby. Fluffy baby. I believe that's what Baymax says. And then there's the comic strip behind. And then instead of a Murphy bed, cruise nerds, we do have a closet space right here. So let me just open this up. So that's the more closet space, cruise nerds. Now we're gonna go out to the veranda. All right, cruise nerds. So we already got this unlocked, and we just gotta unlock this. Now we're part of the bump out, cruise nerds, so it's extra space right here. Just so you can see how big this bump out one room is. And the verandas do open up right on either side to 10610 and 10614. Ahoy, cruise nerds, and thank you for joining me on the stateroom tour of Stateroom 10612. It is a Category 4A, which is a Deluxe Family Oceanview stateroom with veranda. This one is only sleeping a capacity of 4. Even though it might say sleeps 4 to 5, that does not mean this one sleeps 5. So if you are looking for a stateroom that sleeps 5, make sure that you have 5 people in your party on the looking of that particular cruise you're looking for. Otherwise, you're just going to get one that will sleep 4 or less, or possibly. But anyways, cruise nerds, once again, thank you for joining me on this tour. It is a Category 4A Deluxe Family Oceanview stateroom with veranda. Alright, cruise nerds, I will see y'all all real soon on board.